In last few videos, we have discussed about grouping by, right? And we have taken few examples and we understood this. Now let us discuss about partitioning by. This is another very important method and we are going to take couple of examples for that as well and discuss. So let me create a class partitioning by example. Let's have a main method. Now let me tell you that partitioning by creates partition and based on our logic. So the logic on which we want to create partition, it will create those many partitions. Okay. Normally it used to create two partitions. I'll tell why. Okay. And basically, there is a boolean map of boolean key it returns, and on that basis we get two partitions. Okay. So in this example, what we will do is we will take list of integers. Okay. And we will create two partitions of even and odd. So we will create odd partition and even partitions. So let me take arrays dot as list and let us take elements from 1 to 10. 8, 9, 10. So it contains odd and even both type of elements. So these are all numbers. Now we want to create the partition. So first numbers dot stream. Now this partitioning by is also a terminal operation of collectors class. So called collect collectors dot partitioning by. Now partitioning by takes a predicate. If I go inside, see predicate. So basically we have to give some condition which returns true or false. Now I will go for a lambda num%2 is equal to 0. Basically I want to partition even ones. Alright. Now if I store into a partition, so let me call it as even odd partitions. Okay. So if you notice here, this partitioning by also returns a map, and this map's key is always a boolean. It's always a boolean and value is list of integers. List of integers are what? Based on this boolean, those number of integers which are falling into that category, that partition, right? So let me store that. What's wrong with this? This is expected. Fine. So what I can do here is s out and let us have the even partition first. So even number partition, and here what will happen, even odd partitions dot get, and within that get we will be passing true or false. Basically we want to get the list from this map, but we have to pass either true or false because this is a boolean, right? So if I pass true, it is going to give us all the even numbers because this is the filter we have used, right? All the numbers which are divisible by 2. Similarly, for odd partition, it will be false. Now save this, and if I run this partition, okay, it's fine. The names of variables can be managed. I hope you understood the logic. So if you can see, even number partition contains all the even numbers, odd number partition contains all the odd numbers. Partitions, so I should change here also. All right, so this is how we will be able to partition odd and even numbers. Okay, in next example we will see one more example of this partitioning by, and there we will see how does it works with the strings. Okay.